Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So this is me trying to be healthy. So my breakfast, it's orange and pomegranates. I love both of them. So I'm trying to inculcate more and more fruits in my diet because my dietitian suggested me, because a lot of nutrients were lacking in my body. For that, fruits. And this vlog, as usual, does not have any aim. It's me, my life, and me being chaotic. So yeah. Okay, so I had my lunch. It's 11:15 in the afternoon, and it was brunch basically. But I don't like to have late lunch or a heavy breakfast. I like to keep my breakfast very normal, like fruits, and then I have a good like sabzi, roti, and rice for my lunch. I don't know, this video is turning out into what I eat in a day, but I'll film that like a proper dedicated video about what I eat in a day. But right now I'll be packing my stuff, my books, and I'm leaving for tuition. I have to work on one project, means assignment is there, and then me and my friend, we are gonna do a group study, and we're gonna just chat a bit and might grab some coffee. Let's see what we do, but that is the plan for now. Hi guys, so I'm out and I'm going to a cafe nearby my tuition along with my study mate, like with her, and we both are gonna study for a while in cafe. I have something like hot chocolate and something. I ran back to tuition because I forgot my paise, so that was kind of a task. But we are here and let's see what we are going to do. Studying. So we ordered
Sweet stuff, please. Oh my god.
we ordered
We are
Maggie.
sitting at a sofa right now.
And it's Maggie basically we ordered, and it's very plain up. Hot.
It's a Mamanology.
हाँ भाई exactly. And they're charging so much.
50 rupees for that, but 30 रुपए का तो पैकेट आता है.
थोड़ी डाल दो
Keep it थोड़ा दूर if you want.
Yeah.
थोड़ी please.
Cameraman.
I am very dark.
ये
You
तो
need to change that. So like you want more?
no like very less because spicy would be too much.
The thing is, I don't go here for their food. I go there because
But I
of
think मुझे
the...
म्यूजिक बैकग्राउंड को डालना पड़ेगा वरना कॉपीराइट आ जाए. कोई नहीं.
It's okay. We will like just add
Oh,
the
this too hot. And we have hot chocolate.
things. I've never tried their hot chocolate.
I've never come to this cafe before.
Yes, I forced her.
Fine.
Okay, let's study. We need to study either.
Yeah. We are here
The
to
main
study.
reason why we
Main
came
reason.
here.
Exactly.
I'm gonna just put this. Okay, that look is so pretty.
Exactly. Let's गाइस, आपको पता, मैंने वीडियो के स्टार्टिंग में बोला था दैट आई एम ईटिंग हेल्दी एंड मैं ब्रेकफास्ट कर रही हूँ, मैं फ्रूट्स खा रही हूँ, जो मैं खा रही हूँ नो डाउट मैं बहुत खा रही हूँ, बट इट इन्वॉल्व्स मैगी एंड मैंने 15 मिनट पहले ही आई एट वड़ा पाव बिकॉज दिस विंटर इज डूइंग समथिंग। मेरे को इतनी भूख लग रही है कि सबको लगती है, बट लेट्स सी हाउ इट वर्क्स एंड व्हाट वर्क्स, मतलब कैसे जाता है विंटर, बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू गेन वेट अगेन, क्योंकि इसको उतारने में मेरे को 3 साल लग गए और ये आ जाएगा वापस 3 दिन में। तो या आई होप आई कैन बी मोर हेल्दी, इट्स जस्ट अ होप. So me being me, I was really hungry. Like I cannot explain in words how much hungry I am, and I got hangry. So I ordered myself a pizza. It's paprika paneer pizza because handling a hangry Kavya is not a cup of anybody's tea, not even mine. I cannot handle my mood swings and then all that stuff, so it's better to eat. So yeah, I think the goal of eating healthy is just ruined. Now मुद्दे पे आते हैं. I have a really exciting and happy news to share with you all, but the thing is I am not sure that of course I vlog. I don't know if I want to include it in this or I want to create a separate vlog for it. So now you guys have to wait, because I'm a very मेरा decision पे depend करेगा that what am I doing, and I hope this voice didn't annoy you much. So yeah. सो आई डोंट नो कि कौन से व्लॉग का ये पार्ट होने वाला है, कि आई एम कंटिन्यूइंग इन द सीरीज़ और क्रिएटिंग अनदर व्लॉग, आई हैव नो आइडिया, बट आई हैव एक्साइटिंग न्यूज़ टू से दैट आई हैव बीन इनवाइटेड टू TEDx event 2024 because I had participated, and I think I have mentioned before somewhere, I don't remember, I have participated in their idea sharing competition where we were supposed to share our ideas, and whose ideas get selected were allowed to speak on the stage. Unfortunately, my idea didn't get selected enough so that I could get opportunity to speak on the stage, but I have been invited, and that's why I bought the ticket, and I thought that let's just do it. It's a lifetime opportunity for me, and oh my god, I dream about TEDx. Like, I can't even express, like, attending a TEDx event itself is a very big thing for me, because from 6th or 5th grade that was the first encounter of me with TEDx, and like I saw my first speech on motivation for students or something on that lines. But from that onwards, I have been obsessed with TEDx, and it's like a dream for me to speak on the stage of TEDx, and we'll get there. We'll work hard enough to reach there, definitely. But right now getting this opportunity itself is a big thing for me, and I'm attending. This is the first ever TEDx event or anything related to TEDx which I'm attending, and I'm not going alone. I'm going there with my friend, very good friend of mine. Her name is Shrishti, by the way. So we both will be going there, and I'm really excited. Like it's too much for me, but okay. Now I don't know what to expect and how it's gonna be, but like let's just see that how the events take turn. And मेरी प्री बोर्ड्स भी चल रही है, तो मैं भी पढ़ रही हूँ, so that I don't stress and freak out once I come back home. But yeah, I'm really excited. Let's hope that we have the world's best experience and we end the year with a good experience and on a good note. Usually, however sad or disheartening my year have been, whenever I just try to end it on a good note. Like last year with one of my best friend, I went on to concert, to Darshan Rawal's concert. But now I've evolved as a person, as an individual, and I want to learn in life, and I love networking with people and meeting new people, getting experience. So I wanted this year to be a year where I take some meaningful steps towards my career or attend some conferences where just builds my knowledge. So getting this opportunity, it's too much, and I'm really happy, and I'm definitely going to take you guys along with me, and I hope that you also enjoy the event through my eyes.